My payout is like almost 55,000.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
For the strategy, for myself, my understanding is because the same indicates different people have a different understanding.
Hi guys, welcome back to another TFT interview. I'm Tori Trades and we've got another payout for you. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and drop a comment. All right, let's get into it.
My payout is like almost 55,000.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I begin to start trading in my college time. And, almost 10 years ago when I was in college. And at that time, I began to just the trade with the stocks. I borrowed the money from my father and influenced by my roommate. We always trade the stocks I learned from him.
Okay.
And after that, I always go to the library to read some books about the trading, something like that.
Okay.
And at that time, I'm very interested in trading.
Okay. And so did you say your father and your roommate are the ones that helped you get into trading?
No. I learned trade from my roommates. After that, borrowed money from my father to start the trading.
I see. Okay, very cool. Now, what books did you read and where did you get your strategy from?
Most books I read was in Chinese because I am from China. In Chinese,
Okay, I see. Yeah, and then what about your strategy? How did you learn? Did you do your own research or did someone teach you?
I do all the strategy by myself.
Okay.
Yeah, because from the beginning, MACD like that, the value and like that. I have tried many strategies, but not only one is the best because the market always change and of some of the one side and something like I don't know how to describe it. It's not
I get it. There's multiple market conditions, so certain strategies work better in different conditions. I get that.
Because I prefer use the Boolean bound, Fibonacci numbers, RSI, divergence, and support and resistance. I always use this indicators.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And walk me through which pairs do you look at?
Mostly I always trade the gold.
Okay.
Yeah, because at the beginning I traded almost 10 years ago. Just from trade the forex like the gold. It's my beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always focus on gold.
What is your experience with gold? So a lot of people say that it's very tricky and it's hard to trade, but what is your experience with it?
It's like that. Very tricky. And sometimes you don't know how it's very huge. The one side, you can like the whole day, maybe like the $50, like something like that. Maybe someday only $10 one day. The bond is sometimes it's hard to handle. Yeah.
I'm just now trading gold as well. So I've been watching gold for years and I used to trade it and I'm finally getting comfortable enough to start trading it again.
Because at this moment I prefer to change my mind to change gold and sometimes change the forex like Europe and the USD dollar like that.
Okay.
Maybe like the 70 to 30% like that.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
And what time frame do you trade in?
Most like from the Asian time to the New York time because after the noon of the US time, is the market will come down. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
And are you placing a lot of your trades? Do you start on like a daily time frame and then do you move to like a 1 hour and a 5 minute? Or what's the time frame that you're trading in specifically?
It depends.
Okay.
It depends the market. I don't like to hold the trade for a long time. I don't like for a long time. Maybe if the market come to my goal like in 10 minutes, like 5 minutes, 1 hour, I will close my orders, and I don't want to close too long time.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next question is, how did you find TFT? How did you find the funded trader?
Oh, I found it like from Google. And because like at the beginning, maybe at the end of at the first, maybe at the June of this year, I searched the proper forms, and they show me many are connected to the TFT, and it's like at this moment it's the best choice for me because the price is very comparable, and the payout rate is because the TFT always have the many promotions like the payout rates like 90% like that, and refunds something like that. It's the best.
I'm glad to hear that.
And the payout rate per time is within the 3 days. It's very quick.
Okay, great. Good to hear. So how long have you been trading? Did you say, was it 3 years or 10 years? I missed it.
10 years.
10 years. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm at 7 years right now.
Because I began to train like the 2012. I was in my because I was in college time. I have enough time at that time to read books to learn.
Okay. And how has your trading changed since the beginning? Did you have to take a lot of losses? Was it different strategies? Yeah. How did it change from the beginning to where you are now?
From the beginning, in my mind, I don't know it's very easy because I learned from the book. They always show it's very easy to trade like that, and I followed the books, all the strategies, the indicators they told me, but it's not always not working. And almost always trade, and at that time, at the beginning, I always over trade like that. Always like want to trade, not don't want to stop.
I see. And now, how have you gotten better as a trader?
In the meanwhile, I stopped almost 2 years from trading.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and at the time I learned more books and just to do the demo account.
Okay.
Do the demo account and to optimize my strategy and indicators like that, and do less trade like that before.
I see. Yeah. I think that's a great way to go about it, and I think that comes with a lot of discipline. So being able to go to a demo account or simulating, I think is really beneficial, and it takes discipline to do that. Yeah, because because at that time I was a student at that time. I don't have enough money to lose. Yeah. I see. Okay. And then the next question is going to be kind of walk me through how you trade. So what is the strategy exactly? Is it Fibonacci? Is it are you able to share your screen at all to show me just some charts and how you look at the charts? Based from my phone. Recently, I tried to use this one, the order block. I try to use the order block. Okay. And kind of walk me through how you would place a trade. What would be like an entry? What would be an exit? Because this one, this is the interest point, the interest, and for this one is for the sell. This is for the sell. Okay. And mostly I use my phone. Oh, okay, me too. Yeah, I use my phone because I'm not always at home. I always use my phone. Great. Okay. And this is for the 30 minutes, and I can use this is for the trend. You can find the trend, and you always go to the 5 minutes and like that to find the better entry. And this is my recently work. I try to learn to understand this strategy. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then I guess my last question for you would be, what advice do you have for traders? For me, it's like the role of the lead in my Chinese word saying is like the role of long-term survival is I would rather miss than do wrong. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you would rather miss than do something wrong. I think that's a great advice.
Yeah. Rather than to miss the chance, not to do the wrong.
I see.
Yeah. And always control myself, my emotion, because sometimes your strategy is not suitable for the market at this moment. Maybe you have the bad emotion at that time. You should calm down. Otherwise, you will always have the gambling like that. Always, yeah.
I agree completely. Yes, I completely agree with that.
Yeah, maybe because everybody have the emotion. You should try to control yourself. The emotion. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any experience with revenge trading or taking big losses? How do you handle the losing side of it?
For the losing situation, because maybe today I lose and tomorrow I will try. I will come back tomorrow. Because today I will close the order trade and come back tomorrow and to change my strategy or something like that. And
yeah, I see.
Because sometimes always the market is like the violent today. I can't understand the market, so I need to come out of the market and let me calm down. Then tomorrow I will small size to try the market, and if I feel good, I will do better.
Yeah, I agree completely. Close out of your trades and then just come back the next day. Maybe start smaller, a new mindset. I absolutely agree with you on that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to let everyone know before we hop off today?
For the strategy, for myself, my understanding is because the same indicates different people have different understanding. Yeah, you should have you have to understand the indicates in your own words.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. I agree completely.
And because sometimes you need some fortune, some luck.
I mean, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, that's it.
All righty, great. Well, I appreciate you taking the time for this interview today. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to notifications, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate any engagement. And stay tuned for our next interview.